Alright, we vacuumed the pool, and as you can see from the previous video, the water is a bit lighter. Not perfect, but it's getting there. But the next step will be to brush the pool and then to shock it with... the darker the pool is, the more we're going to need for a chlorine shock. So this one might need about, I'd say, 6 to 8 gallons to complete it. I'm guessing this pool is around 24,000 gallons, but that's the next step. With day one, the pool is going to be green. It probably will turn more blue, I would say, by tomorrow, but we will be back next week to check on the progress. There's a very strong chance this pool will need to be vacuumed again to waste because of the amount of algae that was in it, and would likely have to be shocked for a second time. If anybody's wondering why you brush after you vacuum, well, mainly because if you vacuum after brushing, all the algae will be stirred up in the water, and then you're basically going to have to work harder to get everything cleared out. The other thing to keep in mind is that algae is a non-vascular plant. So brushing it up breaks it up from its colonies. It does like to clump together in various individual groupings, but breaking them up by brushing does actually help the shock become more effective.